Da 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 knock, baby. Danang, Việt Nam. Việt Nam, oh Việt Nam, yeah yeah yeah, Việt Nam, Danang, Việt Nam. Do you know where you are? You're in Danang, baby. Danang, Việt Nam. That's where you going all around Danang, checking out Danang. Come on, let's see Danang. Da 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 da, baby. Dang 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 Danang, baby. Dang oh dang Danang. Dang dang oh da 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 Danang, baby. Danang.
Actually, don't let them do that again. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna put some voices on here for a second, and I'm gonna put this up on the map. I'll come right back. And so this is a little neighborhood where we're gonna be. There's the ocean is there. There's 1, 2, maybe about 5 or 6 blocks. We're gonna weave in and out of this, and we're gonna call this a certain neighborhood. I'm gonna put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. We're next to Banh Mi. Okay, so let's put it up on the map, and then we'll Okay, we're in Danang, Vietnam, up on the map, so you can see exactly where we are. So that's the location in Vietnam, and we're gonna be exploring all these different streets, and this particular street is gonna be there. Let's get right into it, as if you're there yourself. Okay, go ahead. What do you want to say?
We're sitting here at the J Market, and that's the best banh mi over there. That's right there, yeah. And that's a good place. And the ocean's over there.
And what do you want to say about this neighborhood?
You can interject here, Mark.
I'll narrate. Yeah, I got your voice on there anyway, so that way we can hear it. That's the main thing. I'll be back. So I'm gonna we're gonna go up and down some of these streets. I just wanted to put this voice on there because he's a local. He's living here for about a year. I believe his friend is too, Dale and Mark. So I just wanted to, when they hear it later, they can at least hear the voice and like, okay, we were a little bit in that video. They don't want to be on camera. Okay, so what we're gonna do is navigate through here. This is a popular expat area. A lot of expats actually live here. I'll see some with their dogs and different stuff like that. There's, I think you kind of say more like foreign. There's a lot of hotels here too. There's another area with more Korean people, and this is more foreigners of like expats that are living here. I'll talk more about that in a minute as well. And what I'm gonna do is just go through all of these little small streets And then down below we'll have it labeled accordingly. Let me see, there's a Korean barbecue restaurant right there. There's actually Korean everywhere, Korean language, Korean speakers, Korean, some of the signs are in Korean. This one is Korean and Chinese. Got a Greek restaurant. So we got all kinds of stuff. Let me just try to get out of the way. There we go. Saga, looks like maybe a club. It's like banh mi, Hana Spa. The spas are about, the foot massage is like 150, which is maybe $5-6 American dollars or something like that. And then the full body massage is about $10. There's something called the Hangout. Tattoos. The Wellness Lounge. I might have misjudged how much I can get in this neighborhood here. Usually I try to keep my video like about 10 to 15 minutes. So I might have to see what else we got. Burger Bros. We'll just see how we do. There's a lot of different neighborhoods I want to film around here as well. But this one, as soon as I see the name, it's written down below. Here's one called Ladies Kitchen. A lot of different bars. This one's called Rom Casa. There's another one over here too. Two Ladies Kitchen. There's another one. So we got a mix of restaurants. Here's Andy restaurant, French and Vietnamese, I think. This is Vietnamese cuisine here. Okay, ramen shop. So we are going to go around the corner, and this is the street that we're on, and this is actually the neighborhood too. So on Thong, and we just went down 4. This one follows it down to the ocean, and we're going to go down this way. We'll keep the camera running just so you get an idea of how it looks. The way he was running, I guess he's jogging with full clothes on. His headphones like he's anyways. Okay, so that was 4. So I think all we can really do is maybe Anthong 3 and 4, and then we're gonna later get down to the ocean. So let's see what this looks like. Go down like this. Here's a hotel. Bakery, got Detroit Pizza on the left. I guess that's a Vietnamese woman who owns this Detroit Pizza, as far as I know. Khalees. There's Detroit over there. Pizza and pasta in Detroit style, so we're gonna take a look at that sign real quick. There we go, Detroit style. Motor City. I'll keep on moving on.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Hey.
Hello. Yeah, it's for YouTube. Hello. Yeah.
Hello.
How are you?
Oh.
All right, that's very good.
Yes, you are.
Do you want the channel? Do you want to know what the channel is?
Channel?
Yeah, the YouTube channel.
You famous?
Not famous, but I have yeah, I have a channel anyways.
Wow.
So-
Oh. Off,
Can you see
off,
yourself?
Off. Good money.
There you go. Now it's there.
Wow. I'm from Danang.
Oh, you're from Danang. Nice. That's good.
No. I'm from Vietnam.
From Vietnam? Where in Vietnam?
Hội An.
Hoi An? Oh, okay.
Yes.
You're very nearby. And today you're visiting.
No, today I come. Oh no, I'm from Hội An, but I come here study.
Oh, to study.
Student.
Oh, university students.
Yeah, university.
Oh, that's good.
Yes. But
And-
you come here how long?
I live in Macau, and
Macau.
Macau next to Hong Kong.
Oh.
Hong Kong.
Yeah.
I know Hong Kong.
Oh,
And you
Hong Kong,
come here
huh?
how many days in Danang?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
Danang is beautiful.
Very nice. You got
Yes.
ocean. You got nice people.
Yeah.
Nice everything.
You how long Đà Nẵng?
I'll be here for 2 weeks.
Oh wow. Oh.
So I'm still here for a while.
But you are traveling around and you walking?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
You xem YouTuber.
Yeah.
Oh. You YouTuber.
Yeah. Yeah, YouTuber.
Channel,
Oh,
channel.
rồi chuẩn bị thôi chị mình được rank xuống à.
You maybe you channel
Trending,
YouTuber.
trend,
Yeah.
hot trend.
I'll give it to you.
You up video YouTuber làm hot trend.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh trend.
Do you want I'll turn it off and then I can give you the YouTube channel.
Yeah.
If you have so actually they stopped me because they're selling some products. They're selling some tea and coffee. So good luck to them. They're doing it for school. They wanted me to buy a kind of a big box. And I hope they sell everything they want to sell. But anyways, it's getting a little bit dark. So I did talk to them for a little bit and we're gonna keep on moving on. So this is street number 3. And then in a little bit we're gonna get into then we're gonna just end this video for number 3, and we have 3 and 4, and then we're gonna do a separate video with 1 and 2. So let me see, we have a gym to the right here. Let me see, Pink Garden Hotel. All right, got a vegan cafe. So we're gonna do the next 2 in a moment, and then we're gonna conclude at the beach. So if you want to see more, I will. A lot of people watch me film. It's kind of irritating. Foreigners and people on bikes. Okay. Anyways.